Trying to send a message on Instagram and nothing happens? No blue tick, no reply, just silence? If your DMs are stuck and won't send, don't worry, you're not alone. And this isn't the end of your Instagram social life. In today's video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes to get your IG messages moving again, fast, easy, and no tech degree required. Let's get those DMs back in business. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The first scenario could be that your Instagram version is outdated and you will need to update the app. To do this, go to your App Store on your iPhone or Play Store if you own an Android phone. Search for Instagram, and if you see the word open, it means you have the latest version. If you see the word install or update, go ahead to update to the latest version. Then open up your Instagram to see if your messages get sent across. The second scenario is to reset the app. To do that, swipe up on your iPhone and swipe up again to fully close the app. Then, go back and open your Instagram, and this time, check if your messages are being sent through. The third option is to reinstall the app. To do that, tap and hold onto the app and select Remove App. Select Delete App to make sure it's fully removed from your phone. Then, go back to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and reinstall the app again. Open the app to see if your messages has been sent through. The last option is to do a hard reset on your phone. On your iPhone, press the volume up button, volume down button, and hold on to the power button on the right until the screen goes black, and wait for the Apple icon to turn on. Then, wait for the home screen to appear, and then go back to your Instagram app and see if the messages has been sent through this time. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye-bye.